The old KhakiShortsMobile is getting a little filthy, so we're gonna have to run it through the car wash, and you are gonna come with us. This is Brian from Khaki Shorts, where we cover travel, food, and just utter nonsense, like going through the car wash. First thing we're gonna do though is kind of show you what the car looks like before and what we gotta do to prep it to take it through the car wash. So, the car's a little grimy, the wheels are gross, got dirt, spray, and gunk all over it. Yeah, back's kind of dirty. My impressive sticker collection. So one thing you have to do before you go through the car wash is take the antenna off, because I have one of these antennas right here. I'm gonna unscrew that. Take that off, and we will put this in the car with us. That way the antenna doesn't get broken, because we don't want that. These things aren't expensive, but still you don't have to go buy another one. So we're gonna put this in the car with us. Going through the car wash. Green means go. Alright. Pull this puppy over here and vacuum it out. So this thing definitely needs to be vacuumed out. It's just gross. Let's vacuum this puppy out, see what it looks like. All right, vacuuming time. Okay, so now we've through vacuuming it out. Let's put the antenna back on. So we're through vacuuming it out. Is it spotless? No. Does it look better than it did? Absolutely. So we'll go home and get the old spritzer out and clean the steering wheel and the dash and that kind of stuff, you know, make it look a little better, get the dust and crap out of there. But it looks a lot better than it did, so I'm pretty happy. So we got the old car washed and vacuumed out. Looks a lot better to me anyway. I mean, it's not perfect. I'm a little OCD, but not like over the top. So not too bad. Looks better than it did. I'm happy. I'll deal with it. So I hope you had fun enjoying the neon colored car wash and the vacuum and cleaning it out a little bit. Thanks for coming along. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out some of the other videos over here for some travel food or just utter nonsense, depending on what's over here. I have to wait and see what's there, and there.